Today I'd like to talk about the concept of cognitive load and how it affects learning. Cognitive load refers to the amount of mental effort being used in working memory at any given time. Since working memory has a limited capacity, learning becomes less effective when too much information is presented at once. Researchers usually describe three types of cognitive load. The first is intrinsic load, which is related to the inherent difficulty of the material itself. For example, learning basic addition requires less intrinsic load than learning calculus. The second type is extraneous load, which comes from the way information is presented. Poorly organized instructions or unnecessary details can increase this type of load without helping learning. The third type is germane load, which refers to the mental effort that actually contributes to building long-term understanding. Effective instructional design aims to reduce extraneous load, manage intrinsic load, and encourage germane load. For instance, breaking complex topics into smaller steps and using clear visual aids can help students process information more efficiently. By understanding how cognitive load works, educators can create learning environments that make it easier for students to understand, remember, and apply new knowledge.